Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Bixby routine on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with the Bixby routine, you can automate settings and actions based on context. So like the location, time, or where your phone is. So the benefit of this is that your phone intelligently adapts to your habits. So say for example, if you come home at 4 o'clock in the evening, when you enter home, your Wi-Fi will basically turn on, or you can set it to go into dark mode when it reaches 7 o'clock, or you can have the blue filter on your Samsung S25 Ultra screen at a certain time. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Next you want to go ahead and scroll down and find modes and routine, tap on this. And here you want to go ahead and find routines. So here as an example, we'll create a routine. So this routine will be basically a do not disturb and a dark mode combined together at a certain time. So let's go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now here we'll go ahead and set a rule which will trigger this routine. So tap on the plus sign. We'll go ahead and tap on a time, a specific time. So let's just say 10 p.m. every day. We'll tap done. Now next, we want to go ahead and add what it does. So at 10 p.m. every day, we want to go ahead and tap what it does. So tap on the plus sign. Here, we want to go ahead and turn on the dark mode. So we go in display, dark mode. We'll turn that on. Next, we want to go ahead and turn on the do not disturb mode as well. So you can go ahead and search for do not disturb. We'll turn that on as well. And then we'll go ahead and tap on save. We'll go ahead and give this a routine name, give it a color, press done. And now your routine has been made. So if you tap on it, we'll see what it does. So as it strikes 10 p.m. every day, dark mode will be switched on and do not disturb will be switched on as well. So this basically automates settings and actions based on this condition given here. And this basically makes your phone very intelligent, so it adapts to your habits. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the Bixby routine on your Samsung device running One UI 7.0.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.